In this video, we will see how to adjust the band of this very popular Casio watch. So if you want to set it on your wrist, what you have to do is to, well, first set it around your wrist, but then you will want to set this little part on that little part over here. Let's zoom in so you can see better. So you set that one inside here, you see, right there. And then you push right here, and then it's locked. When you want to remove it from your wrist, you just pull on that little thing and it goes away. Now, if it's not the right size for you, you have this little thing over here. Just need a sharp object, a lever to force like that. And once it's done, you can move it that way. Once you're satisfied with the position, you can set it back over here, press hard, and then it's done. So you have adjust the size of the band, and then you can set it on your wrist. So I hope this was helpful.